How to add code to Amazon Prime Video. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for Amazon Prime Video and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Tap on the sign in button and log into your account. After you are logged in, head over to your account and settings page. Now, in order to add the code to your Amazon Prime Video account, you need to set up that security code. Here in this page, at the top you can see different menus. If you scroll it to the right, you can see this restriction section. Tap on it. Here you will be prompted to set up the PIN for your account. Enter the 6-digit code. Make sure that it is easy for you to remember, or you can take a note of it. And after that, you can tap on the save button, and that's it. You've successfully added the security code to your Amazon Prime Video account. You can change this code over here if you need in future. By setting up the security code, you can also control the viewing restrictions. You can explore through it and change accordingly. So that's how you can easily add code to your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.